So what we do here is we give the target a quick flyover, we adjust the trajectory, and then land dead center. Am I missing anything, Rhino?
Just the knowledge that every minute spent in your company becomes the new greatest minute of my life.
No! Forget it! How do you say no way I'm doing this in crazy?
Calm down, Cat. You're with me.
That's the problem! Ah!
Oh, would you relax? Every time you did this on the magic box, it was awesome!
Magic what?
You know, the magic box people stare at.
Wait, does this magic box have moving pictures on it?
Yeah, and Bolt's pictures are the best.
Bolt's pictures. Of course! He's from a... Oh, no! Oh, no! No, wait, Bolt!
Let it begin! Let it begin! Let it begin!
Wait! You are not a superhero!
What are you doing?
Mittens! Mittens, take my paw! I need you alive!
You're crazy! Stay away from me!
Take my paw! I'll save you!
No, you won't! You're not really a...
Bolt! Saboteur!
Ouch, you moron! Stop it! I'm trying to help him!
Help him? Yeah, right. Don't worry, Bolt! I'll stop her!
I can't hold it!
Let go, you monster!
Halt!
Ow! 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 Ah!
The real world hurts, doesn't it?